Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to log into Turbotax in 2025. It's going to be a simple video, just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to go to Turbotax website. So go ahead and open a web browser and navigate to the Turbotax website, and there's the website right there on the screen. So go ahead and click that, and once you're on the website, you're going to click on login. So in the top right corner of the page, you're going to see the login button. Go ahead and click that, and then you're going to need to enter the email address that you use to create your Turbotax account. So go ahead and enter that. Once that's done, you're going to enter your password. So the password that you created for your Turbotax account, go ahead and type that in. And once that's done, you're going to click on login. Now just click on the login button to access your Turbotax account. Be sure to double check your username, your email address, and your password, just to make sure that you'll be able to log in successfully. But once that's done and you're logged in, you're going to need to verify your identity by answering your security question. So once that's done, you're going to be logged in successfully. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to log into your Turbotax in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next